Hello students, this is Dr. Malika and our today's topic is Raksha Kits. It could be a GK question for your upcoming AIAPGET exam. So what is Raksha Kit? Who discovered it and what are the content of Raksha Kits can be a question. So Raksha Kits are of two types, Bal Raksha Kit and Ayu Raksha Kit. So Bal Raksha Kit and Ayu Raksha Kit, these are developed by AIA Institute and it is developed in the era of Corona. Okay. So, what is the basic role? As it explains, Raksha Kit, like it will boost the immunity, it will help the children's and the adults from to recover from the corona, right? So what are the content of Bal Raksha Kit? So Bal Raksha Kit is having four contents. First is Bal Raksha syrup. So this syrup includes five drugs: tulsi, dalchini, giloy, mulethi, and draksha. Okay. And another content of Bal Raksha Kit is Bal Raksha syrup plus Anu Tel plus Situpaladi Churna plus Chavanprash. So these four are very important. It could be your one MCQ in your upcoming exam. Then another is Ayu Raksha Kit. It is also discovered by AIA for immunity boosting agent. So, what are the content of Ayu Raksha Kit? So, Ayu Raksha Kit is having another four contents. First is Chavanprash, another is Ayush Kwat, third one is Chanchamani Bati, and fourth one is Anute. The same things, Anute and Chavanprash are there in both the Ayu Raksha Kit and Bal Raksha Kit. So it could be a statement as well that what are the common content in Bal Raksha Kit and Ayu Raksha Kit. So first you have to know about what is Bal Raksha Kit and what is Ayu Raksha Kit. So if you are aware about these things, then you can easily answer your any MCQ regarding these kits. So thank you so much.